Only 1% will ace this challenging flag quiz. Which country owns this flag? USA. Guess the country of flag. India. What nation uses this flag? Japan. Identify this country's national flag. Brazil. Can you name this flag? UK. Which flag belongs to who? Canada. Tell the country of this flag. France. Do you know this flag? Germany. Which nation's flag is shown? Italy. What country does this flag represent? Nepal. What nation owns this flag? New Zealand. Identify the country by colors. South Korea. Recognize this flag. Turkey. Which country, whose beautiful flag is this? Singapore. Can you guess this nation? South Africa. What country matches this flag? China. Which country owns this flag? Spain. Guess the country of flag. Russia. What nation uses this flag? Saudi Arabia. Identify this country's national flag. Australia. Which flag belongs to who? Argentina. Tell the country of this flag. Colombia. Do you know this flag? Pakistan. Which nation's flag is shown? Thailand. What country does this flag represent? Philippines. Name the country from flag. Sweden. Whose national flag is this? Netherlands. Identify the flag shown here. Mexico. Which country uses this design? Portugal. Guess the flag right now. Sri Lanka. Which country's flag is this? France. Which country's flag is this? Iran. Which country's flag is this? Which Singapore. Which country's flag is this? USA. Which country's flag is Brazil. Which country's flag is this? New Zealand. Which country's flag is this? Russia. Which country's flag is this? Norway. Which country's flag is this? Vietnam. Which country's flag is this? Belgium. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.